When we talk about gardening, the footwear that we choose seems to be an afterthought. Today I'm going to share with you my 3 go-to footwear that I use in my garden. The first pair of shoes that I use quite a bit are my slip-on sloggers, and I've had I think 2 or 3 pairs of these over the years, and I still use them all. They work really, really well. What I like most about these is that these are perfect for quick trips outside. If I am going outside to my garden and I don't have a whole lot that I have to do all at once, I love to just be able to slip on these shoes for quick trips. Another thing about these is that they are convenient when I'm doing light garden work like weeding or even just walking the garden or harvesting, but they aren't ideal if I'm walking on wet ground. So if I'm going outside in the early morning and I just want to check on my garden, a lot of times I will get my socks wet or my feet wet with the dew, so they're not ideal when the ground is wet. The good thing about these when working in the garden in the summer is that they are cooler than something like a boot, but they do get a little bit hot whether you wear socks or you just wear your bare feet. Can get a little sweaty on these in the summer, and so that's one reason I don't typically go to these in the hottest of months.